everyone, my name is Mrs. Ostrander and I teach music at Hampden Elementary School. A few fun facts about me. The first is that I'm married to Mr. Ostrander, who teaches 5th grade band at several of our elementary schools. And the second fun fact is that my family and I enjoy going to musicals together. In fact, Mr. O, my daughter Olivia, and I were in a musical a couple of years ago together, and it was a lot of fun. I didn't mention this, but you can call me Mrs. O, and I hope to see you soon.
Hey everybody, my name is Mrs. Hollenberg and I am the music teacher over at MIDDLESEX Elementary School. And one fun fact about me is that je parle un peu français, which means I speak a little French. So welcome to music class, or bienvenue au cours de musique.
Hello Cumberland Valley, my name is Mr. Ocker and I teach music at MONROE Elementary School. A fun fact about me, although I love to learn and play like all instruments, I am a huge soccer fan. I played it when I was young, and my favorite team is in Europe, in England, and they are called Tottenham. So that's a little bit about me. I'll see you around.
Hi everyone, my name is Mrs. Shade and I teach music class, chorus, and band at Shaw Elementary. I live in Harrisburg with my husband, my 2 little girls, and our very silly dog named Piper. One of my favorite things to do in music class is to dance and to move to the music. And I'm really looking forward to getting to work with some of you this year, whether it's in person in school at Shaw or it's just through the videos. I hope you're all having a great summer.
Cumberland Valley students and families. I am Mrs. Zingone and I teach music at Silver Spring Elementary School. I love teaching music and I love spending time with my family. Another thing that I love to do is that I love to run. I have coached Girls on the Run for 5 seasons now at Silver Spring, and it's something that brings me great joy. Take care, everybody.
Hello, my name is Mrs. Snyder. I'm the music teacher at Winding Creek Elementary, and a fun fact about me is that I have 2 cats named Max and Miles.
Can you try this? You can use table or drum. Here's my table. You can use your lap. Anyone know what this is called? What kind of rhythm we got going on here? It's simply called steady beat. I got a couple beats here and a couple beats here. But it doesn't speed up. It doesn't slow down. Are you trying it with me? Steady beat is what it's called. Steady beat. Try with me. Alright, I'm going to add in 5 facts about me, since you might not even know who I am. Are you ready? Here they come. Mr. Ocker, navy blue, shrimp tacos, soccer, alternative rock. Alright, so that was a little bit about me and an introduction to 3rd grade music. Alright, so I'd like you to take a couple minutes here to write down these 5 things, and I'm going to put them on the screen in a second. Number 1, your name. Number 2, favorite color. Number 3, your favorite food. And number 4, your favorite sport. And last of all, number 5, your favorite style of music. You might have to research that one. Take a couple minutes, think about it. Is it rock? Is it jazz? Is it classical? Is it country music? Is it hip hop or rap? Is it indie? Who knows? There's plenty of other options out there. So I want you to take a minute, write the 5 of those down, because you're all right. Before we get into that, I want us to just practice this again. So this is steady beat. Steady beat can be that tempo. It could be really fast too. This is a steady beat. It doesn't slow down and it doesn't speed up. It stays the same, consistent. Try this one. So would that be fast or slow? What's your answer? It was fast. All right, let's try this one. Gotta add a little dance to it. Painfully slow. Painfully slow. You probably knew that one. We're going to be about right here. We'll call this moderate. Moderato, Italian. Or andante, which means walking pace. There's a few Italian musical words for you. All right, so now we're going to go back to this exercise. And I'll show you mine again, and I want you to know at the end of this lesson, I want you to record yourself doing this and share it to your virtual seesaw so your classmates can get to know a few things about you. Here's my example again. Mr. Ocker, navy blue, shrimp tacos, soccer, alternative rock. So it's very important that you put those, you fit them right into these 2 beats of our steady beat pattern. Right here. Your name, favorite color, favorite food, and so on. You've got this. All right, take a few minutes, record that, and save it for later. Alright everyone, now that we've reviewed steady beat, we're going to take a couple minutes and review some note values. Note values that we use in elementary school, usually they're within a 4-beat measure. So we're going to start with our 4-beat note. Does anyone know what it's called? It's called a whole note, and here it is up on the screen. A whole note takes up 4 beats. We're going to say it like this. Ta. 4 beats. Try clapping it and holding it like this. Ta. That's a very simple form of putting it on our bodies and body percussion. You could do a different movement like this. Ta, ta, ta. Try that one. Let's do it one time together. Ta. I want you to take a minute and create your own 4-beat body percussion pattern. Awesome. So now on the screen you're about to see two half notes. Half note, this is also a review. So half notes, do you remember how many beats each half note gets? Put up your answer. I should be seeing a peace sign. 2 beats. Each half note gets 2 beats. So let's go back to our clapping and speaking. 2 half notes in a measure would sound like this. Ta, ta. So they're half the value of a whole note. Whole note gets 4 beats. A half note gets 2 beats. 2 half notes combined together create that 4-beat pattern in a measure. So if we use that simple whole note one again, we could go ta, ta, but that's confusing. Let's keep ta, our whole note, and my half note is going to be this. Ta, 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 ta. Try your own, creating your own body percussion 2-beat half note pattern. Go ahead. So guys, I'm teaching this lesson sitting down. You can use your feet. You can get up, move around, use your feet for body percussion. If you want to do something, you have a drum, ta, ta. Create something that shows the value of a note. A whole note gets 4 beats, a half note gets 2 beats. Now what about rests? We have these things called whole rests and half rests. What is a rest? Shh. It's beats of silence. So think about this for a second. If a whole note is 4 beats of sound, what do you think a whole rest is? It's 4 beats of silence. What do you think a half rest is? 2 beats of silence. Up on your screen, you're about to see a pattern with whole notes and half notes, maybe some quarter notes, ta, from 1st grade and 2nd grade. And it's actually 2 measures. So each measure gets 4 beats. And we're going to try to perform these rhythms using our movements. So whatever you've created. And if you see ta, just add another one for ta, 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 whatever it is. All right, let's check them out. Speak and say our rhythms to this beat in the background. Feel that beat? Feel that beat, that steady beat pulse. You could do this to it. Remember this pattern? Alright, now we feel those 4 beats like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. But now we're going to go back to our ta language to say these patterns. Alright, take a look above. And 1, 2, speak and go. Ta, ta. Repeat. Ta, ta. Keep going. Ta, ta, ta. Take a break. Alright, now let's take a look at this next one. It's a whole note. So our movement's going to last for 4 beats. Show your movement. Here we go. Ta, ta. Again. Ta, ta. And stop. Alright, so those were each 1 measure. Here's another one. This is 2 measures. We've got ta in there. We've got ta. And we have, wait a second, a half rest and a half note. Let's try it. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. Ta, ta, ta. Rest, rest, ta. Let's try that again. You can speak the rest with me. 1, 2, ready, go. ta, ta, ta. Rest, rest, ta. Awesome. One more time. Ready, go. Ta, ta, ta. Rest, rest, ta. Great job. Looks like we've got another pattern here. Half note, half rest, whole note. Here we go. Ta, rest, rest, ta. Let's try that one again. And 1, 2, ready, go. Ta, rest, rest, ta. Awesome job. And last up, whoa, that rest takes up a whole measure. It must take up all 4 beats. Calling it a what rest? Oh, I hope you said whole rest. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. Ta, ta, ta. Rest, rest, rest. Again. Ta, ta, ta. Rest, 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 rest. Okay, guys, that's it for today. Remember, your task at the end of this lesson is to do that steady beat pattern and add in those 5 facts about you. Then upload it to your seesaw. Let's get to know each other in week 1 of music. My name again was Mr. Ocker. I teach music at MONROE Elementary School. Hope you guys are having a great first week of school. And I will see you later.